Today I will show you how to make naira sign display on your keyboard instead of the usual dollar sign. In the keyboard settings menu, click on Languages. It will take you to the Keyboard Layouts and Languages section. At Keyboard Language and Layouts section, click on Add Keyboard. Look for Nigeria, English, and select it, then click Done. Go back to the typing prompt. To bring the keyboard up, look for language symbol. Select and hold it. Where the dollar sign was located is now replaced by the naira sign. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you soon.